How to add countdown timer to Streamlabs OBS. Adding a countdown timer to Streamlabs adds a playful sense of urgency and anticipation, spicing up your stream with a bit of suspense and excitement. It's like a built-in thrill generator for your audience. Now, there are two ways in order for us to do this. One is free and the other one requires Ultra, and I'm gonna show you both ways. So first things first, we're going to try it if you have an Ultra account. So we're going to go here in our App Store home, and then from here, we're going to just search timer. So we're going to try this out and we're going to click it. We're going to install this one. And there you go. Now I'm going to try opening this. Alright, so here's how it looks. So basically there are things that you can do here. We have start, stop, reset, add a time. And this time we're going to go to our editor. And from our editor, we're going to add a source. And then we're going to scroll down here below until we will be able to see stream timer. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add a source and then we're going to type here countdown timer. Alright, and then I'm going to click done and you should be able to see it any minute by now. Okay, there you go. Ready to go, and then put it anywhere you want. So say for example, if I'm going to put it here, there you go. And then in order for us to edit this one, we're going to go down here and we're going to click open the source properties and we're going to click open app settings. There you go. So we're going to click and enable the shortcuts. So here are the shortcuts for us to just basically play it from our keyboard. And then there are also the timers. Say for example, if I'm going to say 15 minutes, you can change the font, color, and everything else. So I'm going to save the settings for now. Okay, settings saved. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to our editor. Now, in order for me to play this, all I have to do is click Control, Shift, and P. Okay, there you go. So our timer is now starting. And again, you can adjust this one. You can place it in the middle, here on top, or beside. So it's up to you what you're going to do, but basically that is how you're going to do it if you have an Ultra account. Now this time, we're going to show you the other one. So I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, there you go. And then we're going to go to our browser. Alright, now when you go to your browser, I want you to type this one. This is lastcurry.com/countdown timer tool. And then from here, you are just going to type the minutes. Say for example, I'm going to say 5 still, and seconds, and we are also going to change this one. Basically just change everything here in according to your liking. But once you're done, you can just click get my timer. Okay, there's our timer, and then we're going to copy this link and we're going to go to Streamlabs once again. Here we're going to add a source, browser source, and then add a source. Okay, so still the same thing, countdown timer, click add source, and then we're going to change the link that we copied. We're going to put it here, and then we're going to click close. Alright, there you go. So adjust it according to your liking again. Okay, so again, these are the methods in order for you to add countdown timer to Streamlabs OBS. And by the way guys, again, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if this helps you out.